Hello, welcome to Michelle's Home Cooking. I'm Michelle. The first recipe I'm sharing with you guys is my recipe for my down home seasoning blend. I created this recipe in inspiration of my grandmother, Miss Bell. She's one of the best Southern cooks I know. It's a seasoning blend of all the spices she used to flavor all my favorite dishes that I grew up on. So when I wanted my roast turkey, my smothered pork chops, my chicken and dressing to taste just like mama's, I created this down home seasoning blend. Before we get started, let's go over the ingredients to make this down home seasoning blend. To make this down home seasoning blend, you will need some paprika, some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, some onion powder, some salt, some sugar, and some black pepper. On this wax piece of paper, you want to combine all your ingredients. Okay, and with a whisk, you want to gently mix all the spices together. Okay, now that looks good. Next, I'm going to transfer these spices over here to this jar. And we're going to save this for later. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to label this. I have a ton of great recipes to share with you. Now, to get this recipe, head over to michelleshomecooking.com, and if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Coming up next, my house seasoning blend. See you soon.